1 year ago today, Deborah Jean Palfrey, the D.C. madam, was found dead at her mother's home in Florida. She committed suicide. A new book, timed to coincide with the anniversary, is raising questions about her prosecution. Was she singled out, and why? Fox 5's Paul Wagner has the news edge.
The judges went outside.
Montgomery Blair Sibley says he has a secret. More than one, actually. The names of clients never revealed in the case of the D.C. madam.
There are 815 names, and...
Are you holding a secret?
Well, I am holding a secret because I'm under court order to do so.
Sibley, who at one time defended Palfrey in the criminal case, says he obtained the names through subpoenas that were later quashed.
You'd recognize the names. You'd recognize the executive branch people as well, the World Bank people, things like that.
Sibley says the court has those names, all of them sealed. A decision made by Judge James Robertson, who stunned Sibley, was something he said in open court. Reading from a transcript included in the book, Sibley says the judge questioned him about the subpoenas requesting phone records from government agencies.
But Mr. Sibley, I have to tell you that I received inquiries from 2 or 3 of the persons and institutions that you have served.
Raising questions in his mind, Sibley says, about outside influence. Sibley also takes a swing at Preston Burton, who represented Palfrey at trial, questioning the reason for his appointment and ultimately deciding Palfrey did not have her day in court. In a phone interview, Burton told Fox 5, "You can draw whatever conclusions you wish from the perspective of a suspended attorney who was discharged from the criminal case and had no role in the trial. I don't care what he says about me or the case. What offends me is how deeply his actions have upset Miss Palfrey's mother." Deborah Jean Palfrey was convicted of racketeering, conspiracy, and money laundering. She committed suicide a few weeks later. The Legal Times is reporting the U.S. Court of Appeals for the D.C. Circuit today suspended Sibley's license to practice law for 3 years. He had already been suspended in Florida for contempt of court for failure to pay child support and for filing frivolous claims and appeals. Sibley says he has not been given a sufficient chance to be heard. Brian.
Paul Wagner, live in the newsroom.